We are about to transplant today. We've got a jalapeno plant here, and it's too big for that little container it's in. So we're going to transfer it to this much larger container, and I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily do that. All I'm going to need for that is a shovel and some soil. In this case, I'm going to use some gardening soil. This is the pot I'm going to transfer to. I put a little bit of wood chips in the bottom, just a ½ inch or so. I like to do that just to cover up the drain holes so that I'm not draining dirt all over whatever surface I have my plants on. All right, so to get started, we are going to put some more soil into the new pot. We're going to build a little nest for our new plant. All right, so we are going to put some soil into our new pot. And just break it up a little bit because we don't want it to be chunky. Okay. Who's this guy? There's a wild animal out here. All right, so we got our, let's see, our soil's in here now. I'm gonna make a little nest, sort of round out the center. All right, so that should work.
Okay. Are you gonna be careful with the roots?
So yeah, that's gonna drain. I'm gonna give it a little more, and then we will throw some mulch on there. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.